Conquering conjunctions. Mastering coordinating conjunctions in English. Hello, English language learners. Welcome to our new lesson about a very important part of English grammar, conjunctions. Today, we're going to focus on a specific type of conjunctions called coordinating conjunctions. These little words play a crucial role in joining words, phrases, or sentences together, and mastering them can really enhance your fluency. So, let's dive right in. Coordinating conjunctions are simple words that connect equal parts of a sentence. These parts can be words, phrases, or independent clauses. In English, we typically think of 7 coordinating conjunctions, remembered with the acronym FANBOYS. For, and, nor, but, or, yet. So, each of these conjunctions has a unique role and is used in different contexts. Understanding how to use these in sentences can vastly improve your sentence construction skills. Let's see some examples of these conjunctions in sentences. For, I decided to stay home, for it was raining heavily. And, she is smart and beautiful. Nor, he does not eat meat, nor does he eat fish. But, I wanted to go to the party, but I had to work. Or, would you like tea or coffee? Yet, it was a sunny day, yet it was cold outside. So, she was tired, so she went to bed early. Take note of how each conjunction is used to connect clauses and how they add meaning to the sentence. The best way to master coordinating conjunctions is through practice. Here are a few exercises you can try. 1. Fill in the blanks. Choose the correct coordinating conjunction to complete the sentence. A. I need to work late tonight, blank. I won't be able to attend the dinner. So. Yet. B. They do not like spaghetti, blank. They don't like lasagna. Nor, and. 2. Sentence construction. Use the given coordinating conjunction to create your own sentence. A. Use, and, in a sentence. B. Use, but, in a sentence. Try to complete these exercises on your own and check your understanding of coordinating conjunctions. There you have it, folks. You've learned about coordinating conjunctions and how to use them in your sentences. Remember, practice is the key to mastering these. We hope this lesson has been helpful in your English language learning journey. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more engaging lessons. Happy learning!